us here at PARC Urology, we wanted to say 5-year happy anniversary to us. It was just 5 years ago this week that we came into this office with a few pieces of furniture that I'd ordered online, no art, 2 employees, and that was it. We left the university with thoughts that we needed to build this practice, but really no understanding of whether or not it would work and whether or not it was needed. And so we are so excited to be here today to say that everything at PARC has gone so well. We all love our jobs. We love what we do day in and day out. And all of this is possible because of all the Hypospadias heroes that we work with day in and day out. We've really kind of had some bittersweet moments. We've had to say goodbye to all of our patients with other urologic conditions. And today we've decided to announce to you that it's time to say goodbye to PARC Urology. So in the future going forward, we really wanted something to reflect what it is that we do, and we wanted to get more of the word out about hypospadias and penile birth defects. So moving forward, you're going to see lots of changes on our website and maybe even some really exciting other future things to come as we switch from PARC Urology to the Hypospadias Specialty Center. So we thought this was a great way to tell you about what the exciting things are to come. Hopefully you'll be seeing the word hypospadias written on things here in the near future, if nothing else, so that people will know more about it, get the word out, have people talking about penile birth defects so that we know that they're common, they're out there, and that you're loved and you have a good place to be taken care of to come for us to take care of you. Anything else?
We're excited.
Yeah, very excited.
Happy anniversary to us.